Hi guys, for the last game or activity that you're going to do for tomorrow's lesson is called high or low. And again, this is another 5-minute activity that you can do, and you're going to need a partner. So again, if you have somebody in the house that you want to work with, this would be another great activity to find somebody to do this with you. So you're going to need a deck of cards. If you don't have cards, if you want to take paper and cut them into small squares, and you can number them from 1 all the way up until 20 if you'd like. And then you want to split that deck or those pieces of paper in half. So half of one person will get half and the other person will get the other half. And what you're going to do is you're going to say 1, 2, 3, and on 3 you're going to flip one card over at a time and flip them on the ground. The person that has the higher card is going to win that round. So if you win that round, you're going to get 2 points, and you're going to only have to do 5 jumping jacks. If you tie, meaning you both put out the same number, you get 1 point, and you have to do 5 ski jumps. Remember, ski jumps are where we keep our feet together, and we jump from side to side, bending our knees and landing on the balls of our feet. If you lose, you don't get any points, and you have to do 5 burpees. If you don't know what burpees are, we've done these a couple times in class. I have linked a video where you can watch where they go ahead and show you and go through the motions of the burpee and exactly how you need to do it. So those links are also in the presentation. Again, make sure you're keeping track of your score because at the end of all 3 of these games, I asked you how many points you got total for the day. And that's a number that I want you to keep in mind if you want to keep doing these games throughout the week or up until I see you again in 2 weeks and see if your number gets higher or lower. So again, if you have any questions, I'll go back to the slide where I have everything answered for you, and I have some links on there regarding how to do those exercises. Have fun!